guys, my name is Cassidy La Crème and I'm going to teach you how to do this look from my Getaran Jiwa video. So come check it out. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you how to do this 1960s inspired bun and braid. I've always been a fan of all things vintage. I love every era from the 1920s onwards. Now, I saw this picture on Pinterest and I knew I had to give it a try. The 60s were all about smoky eyes and big hair. If you follow me for a while, you know that I have short, thin hair, so there's no way in the world that I could achieve this look without hair pieces. So today we are going to use a clip-on fringe, a long pony tied into a braid, and a bun hairpiece to get this full, thick look with minimal effort and super quick. But if you've got big, gorgeous, luscious hair, you have bangs, whatever, you can do it on your own. I'm just sharing my tips and tricks on how I achieved this look for my music video, Getaran Jiwa. So if you want to have a listen to a nice, soft, slow ballad in the Malay language, check that out on my YouTube channel or on Spotify. You can find all the products I've used down in the description down below. I haven't left these from anywhere. This is just what I make up, trying to be resourceful with what I have at hand. For me, I could bang this hairstyle out in less than 10 minutes. So hopefully you guys find it just as easy to do. I think I'll definitely use this one again for an event because I think it looks quite toned down yet glamorous, and it's a very different look for me. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you try this look, guys, don't be shy. Tag me on Instagram. I want to see how it turns out. You never know, I might just reshare it. So let's not waste any more time. Let's see how it's done. Okay guys, so you're going to want to start with your hair down and parted right down the center. Now for this I use a clip-in synthetic fringe. This one is from Hairdo, the Jessica Simpson model. I've had it for ages. It's got 3 clips on the back that keep it nice and secure. Now it's time to push the 2 clips into your hairline, picking a desired height, whether you want your brows in or covered, securing the clips at the front first, and then using the clip at the back, pushing it forward so that it gives you a little bit more volume. Then adjust the front ones as you need. Once the piece is in its desired position, just brush out any kinks with a brush or a comb. Now if you've got thin hair like me, I like to just pull up each side and tease it down a little bit so that when we brush it back, there looks like there's a bit more thickness there, which makes the hairstyle just that little bit more convincing. Then it's time to just leave your bangs forward and start brushing your hair all the way around your head into a nice, smooth, high ponytail. And now is the perfect time to make any changes to how your bangs may be sitting. The weight of your ponytail is going to probably pull them up a little bit, and once it's secure, we're not going to be able to make any changes, so now's the time. So now you want to secure that ponytail nice and high. As you wrap it around, just remember that the last loop we do, we're going to keep the ends tucked in. And here you can see how the fringe just wants to keep creeping backwards on you, but no sir, we are all over it. So the next step is to tidy that ponytail. Grab some hairspray, grab a brush, and let's smooth out any bumps and flyaways. And this is where the fun begins. I'm using my INH Sammy Champagne bun piece. These are fab because they do not look fake. They haven't got too much shine and they're really versatile. Once you've given it a brush and it looks nice and smooth, flip the hairpiece over and secure those clips around your bun. Once it's secured, then just fluff the hair out so nothing's stuck underneath. And then we want to start smoothing the hair in a circular motion around the base of the piece. The best part about this particular hairpiece is it has a drawstring at the base of the bun which will help you to keep it on tighter for longer. Just make sure you don't forget about it and leave it hanging out the bottom. Now it might take a little bit of fiddling, but once you get your bun in a position you're happy with, it's time to secure it with some pins. Next up, I am using another INH hairpiece. This is the Miya ponytail. I've pre-braided it, and I'm going to use the wraparound piece first to secure around the base of the bun to prepare us for our braid. Don't forget to secure it with a pin so that it's more sturdy. And now we get to see it all come together. So grab your braid, pull it in the direction which you're going to twist it around the base, and we're going to secure the Velcro in place, or the part that would normally be holding around the top of your ponytail. This is just to make sure it doesn't slip into view at any point. Now we're going to take our braid and wrap it gently around the base of our bun, making sure to pull the bun piece upward gently so that we don't lose any volume. And the tip of that ponytail should just tuck ever so perfectly underneath. And of course, you know what to do next. We are going to take bobby pins and we're going to stick them going in towards the center of the bun all the way around so it is beautifully secure and it's going to last you all day or night. And now the final step is just to adjust that bun with your fingers until you achieve the look you desire. You might want to keep it a little messy or you might want to make it smooth and perfect. But I do suggest adding a few more pins in there and of course a whole lot of hairspray. And one final little bonus insider's tip is for a more natural look, make sure you go through and just trim any standout hairs with some scissors, but be sure not to be cutting your own hair. Trust me, I've been there and done that. And of course, don't forget this is the ultimate glam look for big extra earrings. So add on your favorite pair of earrings that you want to show off and you are ready to go. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video and that your hair is looking as fabulous as you are. And of course, if you want to hear my music or if you want to support me, please head on over to Spotify. I've got new music for you guys every week. And let me know if you want to see more of these tutorials. Leave me a comment in the section down below, DM me on Instagram, send me some looks you want me to try and recreate, and let's see what we can do. If it's your first time here, welcome. Please join my YouTube family and I hope to catch you in more videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much guys. Thank you so much for being part of my The Cassettes family. I adore you and thank you so much for coming back each and every week. I love you guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.